Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. All right, guys, so they do have boxes available on Cratejoy, so I'll have the Cratejoy link in the description box below should anybody be interested in getting this awesome box. They have a ton of options. Just go onto the Cratejoy site and check out all the options that they have for this box. So without further ado, let's see what I got this month. Okay, guys, so we have a craft challenge going on every single month. Well, hopefully every single month, but every month that Chad is able to do it and he sends me a challenge, we're going to have a challenge in all of the boxes. So the challenge item that he makes for me is part of my box, which is super cool. So I get that additional handmade item, which really makes me very happy. And I love the challenge of trying to make something with the things that he sends to me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the package. It's all bubble wrapped up just like this. This is the package for this month. That is my box. And then this here we'll do after I open my box is the craft challenge for the next month. So that's exciting. All right, so this flyer comes with it. The item list is on there. He has everything covered up because I like to be surprised. I don't want to know what's in there. And hopefully I know what it all is, but if for some reason I don't, I'll refer to the list. But again, make sure that you guys check them out on Cratejoy, and you can also support them on Patreon. I will have the Cratejoy link in the description box below, but Patreon, I think you just download the app and then you can support them that way if you're interested in doing that. Okay, so let me take the bubble wrap off of here. Ooh, that is cute. Very personalized. It says Amber Monthly Box. Do you guys see that? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Can't wait to see what's inside here. Let's dig in. I was instructed to be careful. Normally I throw things up and all that, and he knows that. But he said there was something breakable in here. Can you guys even hear me? But he said there was something breakable in here, so I needed to be a little more careful this time. Okay. So I don't want to break anything. All right. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Okay. Oh, this is so fun already. It's so fun. Oh my gosh. This is so fun. Look at this. I love it. Look, this is so fun. I mean, this is really fun. Okay, guys, I'm super excited about this super awesome handmade. It looks like a little wristlet pouch. Yeah, you can like tighten it up to keep all your stuff in there, and I would think that I should be able to if I can. I need to put my nails back on because I'm having trouble maneuvering without them. But anyways, it'll be like this. So cute. How cute is that, guys? I love it. And it has all the like superhero-y kind of I love this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Did I say I love it? Yeah, because I really do. All right, so let's go ahead and see what he put in. Oh, stop it! I just made a super cool pair of Batman shoes, and now I have a Batman figurine to go with it. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I am so super stoked. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea how excited I am. Yay! This is so awesome. Oh, this is so cool. All right, we are on a roll. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. And then this is a handmade transformer. It's like a decoration is what I would do with this. I would just hang it up. But look at that. That is the Transformers logo. So cool. So super fun. I'm super excited about this. That is awesome. Somebody put a lot of work into that. Ooh, and then we got Optimus Prime. Looks like he's probably fighting Megatron in a magnet. That is super cool. Another handmade item. Guys, I love the fact that they put handmade items in these bags. Now, I just want to stress that he does put a few more handmade items in my bag because he knows that I like and appreciate those kinds of things, but you're guaranteed at least one handmade item in your box unless you ask him specifically to include some more handmade things. Okay, but that is awesome. So super cool. Excited about that. Excited about my bag. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I thought Noah might like some kids comics or, you know, cut them up. That is so fun. So, oh, this is cool. I love it. So it's Toy Story, guys. Look at that. Yes! I loved all the Toy Story movies, but I think the second one might have been my favorite, but this is so super fun. Yes, I might turn this into something for him. I don't know. We'll read through it first, and then I'll make that decision with him. And then we have Disney Princess. The girls would love this. I think I'm going to start a YouTube channel, a separate channel with the girls, the twins. So this would be super fun to do some crafting with this one maybe. That would be really cool. I think they would really like that. So that's cool. Ooh, put that there. Okay. Oh, yes. Mickey Mouse. Oh, did you say these were for Noah or are they for me? I'm just saying, I like Mickey Mouse. All right, here you go. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. I cannot wait to do some things with those. All right. Ooh, yes! 150 stickers of Wonder Woman. What? Okay, I am down. I am so down. Love it, love it, love it. I gotta work on, oh, look. Oh, wow, guys. I'm sorry, but you guys have to see this. What? Oh, the possibilities. Oh, I love it. Let me flip to the next page for you guys who like stickers. That is so fun. Hello. Oh, the possible. Oh, I love these ones the best, I think. Can you guys even see them? They're like those holographic stickers. Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. I'm just saying. Yes, 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 and yes. Ah, this is an awesome bag this month. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then we are not done, but wait, there's more. We have a Spider-Man tote bag. Ah, this is so cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I'm so totally down for this. You know, this is something that I would use when I'm taking him to somebody's house, and I would put the few things that I need to take in with it. I know most people take a diaper bag, and I do that, but I only need a couple of things. I love this, and I'm definitely going to be using it. I'm just saying. That is so cool. Oh my God, I love it. What do we have? Ah, this is awesome! I love Optimus Prime, guys. I mean, I love Optimus Prime. And this I have to take out of the plastic so you guys can see it, but it's an Optimus Prime mouse pad. What? Look at that! This is an amazing box this month, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love everything. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. This is a great box. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this here? Sorry, no postcard this month, or is it there? Glass craft item challenge, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle labels. Okay, so now we are into the craft challenge items. Okay, so last month, let me just explain to you guys really quickly. He sent me these labels, these Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle labels, and I'm supposed to create a craft with the labels. So he creates a craft, I create a craft, and that's what happens. Then we share them with you guys and give you guys some ideas on what you can make with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle labels. So this is Chad's challenge item. So this is what he made with these labels. Okay, so whatever's in here is what he made with the labels. So let's open it up and see what he made. Let's see. Still upside down, guys. I'm still not seeing anything yet. So hold on. Wow. Wow. He made an amazing frame with them. And then he put something in the... I'm not showing you guys. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at that. What a brilliant idea. Oh my gosh. He killed it. I mean, he killed it. I didn't do this. This is awesome. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, Chad, you killed it, dude. I mean, you killed it. I don't even want to show mine. You definitely killed it. All right, he knocked it out of the park. So this is what Chad made with the labels, and with those same labels, this is what I made. You guys ready? Don't laugh too hard. But I made a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Rubik's Cube. So I put Donatello on one side, and then this side here, I put Leonardo, and then here's Raphael, and then we have Michelangelo, and then on the inner parts, I put Splinter. So it does work, you know, and everything. So when I did these, I took all the stickers that were on this one off of it, and that was painful, guys. Like, that took me forever. I took all the stickers off, and then I washed the cube, and then I cut these little labels out, and I put them on each side of the Rubik's Cube so I could have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Rubik's Cube. I'm so super excited. I love how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. So I'm going to add this to my geeky collection of stuff, but I tried to make it as close to like putting a real Rubik's Cube together as I could. So that's why I have Raph on one side, you know, Michelangelo on one side, so on and so forth, so that if when you mess it up and try to put it back together, you know that you're trying to get all the same characters on each side. So I made this, and Chad made this amazing frame. Let me try to get them here. Okay, so I made the Rubik's Cube. Chad made this amazing frame. Let me know which one was your favorite. I'm going to say I love Chad's. I mean, he did an awesome job. I'm just saying. And I mean, I love mine too, but Chad did a really great job this month. So just let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Again, we're just having fun. We're just a couple of crafters having a good time with some craft challenges. I love it. Chad, wow. This was an amazing box. I love this box anyways, but this month was amazing. This was an amazing box. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and see what the craft item is for next month. Oh, and just in case, you guys, I'm pretty sure, yeah, I got all of that right. The red cloth bag was handmade. The Autobot dangler was handmade. Okay, so I did knock out all of the handmade items. Awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's in here for next month. June challenge. You can make whatever you want with any material you need, only you cannot use this item to make a magnet or a bookmark. Other than that, let's see what you craft up. Alrighty dighty. So I can't make, let me take the instructions off so I don't forget what the rules are. Ugh. I can't make a bookmark or a magnet. Okay, what's in here? Justice League cards. Oh boy. It keeps getting harder and harder, guys. So this is my craft item for next month, guys. Oh boy. I am open for any suggestions. If anybody wants to leave me some suggestions in the comments below, I would greatly appreciate that. So now I have to come up with something to make with these cards for next month. Oh, nothing's popping out right now, but we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Again, this was the Heroes Tower Geeky Mystery Box. It is available on Cratejoy, and I will have everything linked in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is, hair messing up. I mean, this is such poofy hair. Like, I just don't know what to do with it. I wonder if I just put it back behind my ear a little more, if I'll like it any better, so it's just not always in my face. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday. Whoop, try it again. The Heroes Tower. All right, guys, this is a geeky subscription box. Did that like stop me? I feel stopped. Okay, try it again. Wow. Okay. The Heroes Tower. All right, guys, they do have boxes available on Cratejoy, so I will have the Cratejoy linked. It didn't come out right. I don't know what I said, but I know it didn't come out right. I'll try it again.